If you are a company doing business in the EU or have EU customers, then you should be aware of some common GDPR mistakes and how to avoid them. My name is Carl Carpenter, and I'm the CEO of Arrakis Consulting. We're here to help you avoid increased GDPR risk. Articles 37 through 39 indicate the requirement of a DPO. Per Article 38, the DPO must report to the highest levels of management. However, not to worry, your company has options. A DPO can be hired outright as a full-time employee or outsourced to a third party such as Arrakis Consulting. You should also be aware that some countries require the DPO to reside in the country that business is conducted in. Unfortunately, this is a hard task that can get companies in trouble. Under GDPR, you have to understand how information comes into your company, where it goes while inside your company, where it goes after it leaves your company, and any amount of processing or storage of that information while under the control of your company. Control should also be understood as if your company itself is processing the data, or if you send the data to a third party to process on your company's behalf. The people that the information is associated with are called data subject owners, and as such have rights that your company is obligated to adhere to. These rights come in a variety of forms. However, the biggest issue that Arrakis has seen with companies is responding to those rights in a manner that meets GDPR requirements. For example, a data subject owner can make a request of some sort and the company must respond within a specific time frame. There are loopholes that can be exploited, however, there will always be time periods that need to be adhered to. Then there is the concept of exactly how to respond based on what specific request is made by the data subject owner. Unfortunately, Arrakis has run across companies that didn't take GDPR seriously and used the excuse of being a startup or too small to get on the GDPR radar. It's basically a false sense of security. The GDPR regulators actively go after GDPR violators regardless of size or scope. Ignorance of the regulation will not be a valid excuse in relation to violations. Get in touch with us today if you need GDPR, CCPA, PADFA, or CMMC help. We can help reduce risk to your company. You can contact us at sales@arrakisconsulting.com for more information.